Here is a brand new build in the heart of Crystal Beach. It's about a 10-minute walk from the beach itself. My name is Manny De Silva, and I'm a realtor with RE/MAX Niagara. I talked about this place in a previous video as a potential short-term rental unit. Inside on the first floor, you have 9-foot ceilings. You got 1 bedroom, 1 bath, open concept kitchen that has stainless steel appliances that are included, as well as an island, as you can see here. Look at this living space with a fireplace that's so inviting. Even though this place is turnkey, there are 2 areas that you can expand on in this house. Number 1, I didn't show any footage of the basement because it's unfinished. Other than a rough-in for a bathroom, it's a complete blank canvas. So you can imagine what you can install in that basement to elevate the experience for your guests. The second area that you can expand on is coming up next. Upstairs, you have 2 bedrooms. Each bedroom does have closets. You have a washroom that also houses the laundry facilities right behind the door. Here is the second part of the expansion plan. Take a look at this backyard. You think you might be able to improve on this? Think about what you can do with this space. I guess the next question would be is whether or not you feel that this place can offer up a great experience for your guests. And if you do, then maybe you might want to reach out to me. My name is Manny De Silva from RE/MAX Niagara. I'm a realtor here. And yeah, let's get you on this side of the lens to have a closer look. I'll leave my contact details in the description below. Thanks for watching.